In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pixel art using Microsoft Excel. Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to turn a simple Excel worksheet into a creative canvas for making pixel art. Even though Excel is mainly known for spreadsheets and data management, it can also be used as a fun tool for creating small digital artwork made from colored cells. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and create a new blank worksheet. Once the sheet is open, the first thing we need to do is prepare the cells so they behave like tiny square pixels. Select the entire worksheet by clicking the small triangle located at the top left corner between column A and row 1. This selects all the cells in the sheet at once. Next, adjust the column width so the cells form perfect squares. Move your cursor over any column header, right-click, and select Column Width. Enter a smaller value so the columns become narrow enough to resemble pixel blocks. After adjusting the column width, move to the row numbers on the left side, right-click, and choose Row Height. Enter a matching value so that the height of each row is equal to the width of the columns. When both dimensions match, every cell becomes a small square that acts like a pixel on a digital grid. Once the grid is prepared, zoom in slightly so you can clearly see the cells while working. Now the worksheet essentially becomes a pixel canvas. Each individual cell will represent a single pixel in your artwork. To start creating your pixel art, select any cell and go to the Home tab. Locate the Fill Color option in the toolbar and choose a color. When you click the cell, it will fill with that color, acting as a colored pixel. Continue selecting different cells and applying colors to build your designs step by step. You can use different colors to create shapes, characters, patterns, or even small icons. As you work, remember that pixel art is built one square at a time, so patience and precision help create cleaner designs. If you make a mistake, simply select the cell again and change the fill color, or clear it to return it to its original state. Once your design is complete, you can zoom out to view the entire artwork. You now have a piece of pixel art created entirely within Microsoft Excel using nothing more than colored cells. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.